We'll be heading to the Black Forest, and then we're going to be heading into France and camping for the evening again. Good morning and welcome to day 2. It's a little bit wet, a little bit of raindrops in the evening, but nothing too major. Today we're going to head into Schaffhausen through the Black Forest, and then we're going to head into France. Hey guys, it really helps me out if you can share the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for new content.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and...
Hello cows. Always got to say good morning to the cows, respect the animals.
Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Got the Tropicana, fresh cut sushi on a platter. Brandy, honey, it don't matter, shots till I drop. Gonna be 24/7, golden hour like a boss. And they say, yo, guess you got a 2 o'clock appointment for a champagne shot, whoa, yeah. I'm busy trying to take it higher. Got no time for never, only spending cheddar. Wish I could do this forever. Chilling with the hottest company. They all wanna welcome me to their private penthouse suite. Yeah, now I got the key. Rooftop pool.
We'll be heading to the Black Forest, and then we're going to be heading into France and camping for the evening again.
Sunny days, no clouds and
Feel free to leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. Any advice or suggestions, let me know.
feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break.
Oh, how cool is this? Okay, this is one of the best bridges I've been over. And accompanied by a stunning view of the town and the river. Now, if you want a scenic route, this is the way to go.
Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like
We're entering the town of Schaffhausen now. We're going to stop here for a quick coffee and then head off to the Black Forest. You see in front of us, we have arrived in Germany. Also see from the yellow signs with the town names and so on. In Switzerland they are blue, and in Germany they are yellow. Like I said, it's not ideal conditions, but we've all got to learn how to ride in the rain, because if you don't practice riding in the rain and learning how to control your motorbike and braking distances and so on, when you get caught in the rain on your day out, it could end up quite serious. As you can see, the weather's not giving up. It's carrying on raining, but it's actually quite enjoyable, I think, riding in the rain. A little bit slower obviously, but makes it more of an adventure, I think. Mist is always a good sign in the mountains, because it stops raining and warmer weather is coming. Oh yes, this is what we've been waiting for, ladies and gentlemen. Happy days.
side by side and through. No limit to what we can do.
Hey guys, it really helps me out if you can share the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for new content.
Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
So we have arrived in France. Bonsoir, almost there. So we arrived at the campsite. Parked up the bike there. Pretty cool camping location. We're just going to set up tent quickly and then get some dinner on the go. Thanks for joining me again, and see you next time.